Welcome, Dr. V. Reddy's. Check and improve knowledge. There are 10 MCQs in this quiz. Please write these numbers on a white paper and note down your answers after each MCQ. Then check your answers with the answers given. 41. Because of very small particle size, they do not scatter a beam of light passing through it. It is solution. 42. The path of light is not visible in. Solution. 43. When no more solute can be dissolved in a solution at a given temperature, it is called saturated solution. 44. The amount of the solute present in the saturated solution at a particular temperature is called its solubility. 45. If the amount of solute contained in a solution is less than the saturation level, it is called unsaturated solution. 46. Different substances in a given solvent at the same temperature have different solubilities. 47. A mixture in which the solute particles do not dissolve but remain suspended throughout the bulk of the medium is known as suspension. 48. Which of the following is a heterogeneous mixture? All of the above: suspension, colloid, and blend. 49. The particles of a suspension can be seen by the naked eye. 50. The solute particles of it settle down when it left undisturbed. It is suspension. This knowledge is essential for all students from 6th grade to post-graduation. If there are students in your family, for more questions and quizzes on multiple topics, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. Thank you.